Hey guys, in this video we picked the top 5 best jigsaw on the market. We made this list based on our personal opinion, and we ranked them in no particular order after we did our research based on their price, quality, durability, brand reputation, and more. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. BLACK+DECKER Jigsaw 50 amp, DEGES 600C, budget-friendly jigsaws. Often come at the cost of capability and features, but that's not the case with this model from BLACK+DECKER. This corded model features a 50 amp motor, more powerful than the Pricer Makita we tested, that produces up to 3,000 strokes per minute via a pressure-sensitive trigger, and with toolless blade changes, switching U-shaped blades is fast and straightforward. This BLACK+DECKER jigsaw features the brand's curve control, a clearly marked dial that helps users to choose between straight cutting or no orbit, and maximum orbit for working along curves. While powerful, it did splinter wood in testing because of the wide opening around the blade, and accuracy did prove to be a bit of an issue. When beveled to the max, the saw's power felt sluggish, but that would likely improve with a better quality jigsaw blade. Those points aside, for the price, this is a good saw for beginners to learn with. Finally, it comes equipped with a 2-year warranty. It will not be as smooth or as powerful as the number 1 choice, but it's still a great option. Pros: affordable price point. Setting designed for cutting curves. Toolless blade changes. Curve control technology. Cons: no speed dial to lock variable trigger. Number 2. BLACK+DECKER DEGES 300C Jig Saw, 4.5 amp. A budget-friendly jigsaw with plenty of cutting power for DIY woodworking, decorative woodcutting, and many home improvement tasks. The 4.5 amp BLACK+DECKER DEGES 300C is among the best corded jigsaws in terms of value for the money. It even includes some advanced features like its WireGuard sightline channel and an integrated dust blower. While the motor isn't as powerful as the 6 amp motor of the BLACK+DECKER DEGES 600C, our top pick for best jigsaw, corded or not, this 4.5 amp model is more than adequate for most home DIY woodworking tasks. Those looking for the best professional jigsaw, however, might be better advised to go with a model that features orbital action with at least 4 different positions for working with different materials. Another jigsaw worth adding to your collection of power tools is the PorterCable PCE 341 variable speed jigsaw. This efficient tool runs at 3,100 SPM and has a 2-setting orbital action for quick cutting, an adjustable shoe and bevel adjustment to tense at 0 and 45 degrees. You also don't need a wrench to make blade changes. Pros: tilting baseplate for bevel cuts. Less expensive than the other jigsaws on our list. WireGuard sight guide for visibility. Powerful 6 amp motor. Cons: lacks multi-position orbital control. Number 3. DeWalt DCS 331B20V Max Jigsaw. For all of your cordless fans out there, hopefully, we didn't keep you waiting too long. The third choice on our list is the DeWalt DCS 331B Jigsaw, which is the best cordless jigsaw of this year. DeWalt knows what they are doing when it comes to cordless tools. This jigsaw is no exception. The DS331B comes with 4-position orbital action and no annoying cord to block your work. Cordless jigsaws make the task at hand much more accessible, but they generally lack some power. Capable of 3,000 SPM. The cordless DeWalt offers as much blade speed and cutting power as the corded version. In fact, there was really one complaint we had about this unit. Most jigsaw are equipped with a blower fan. As you cut and the sawdust piles up, the blower will push the dust away from your line of sight. Although the DeWalt comes with this blower functionality, it is not sufficient. The line gets continually covered and it can be difficult to see, especially on longer cuts where plenty of dust will pile up. While the DeWalt does have a blower, it's completely ineffective. This makes it difficult to see your line to make straight cuts. However, we still think that this is one of the best cordless jigsaws on the market. Pros: cordless. Clean, smooth cuts. 3-year warranty. 3,000 SPM. Cons: very heavy with battery. Number 4. Makita DJV180Z18V LXT Cordless Jigsaw. If I were to choose one jigsaw that consists of several well-designed user-friendly features, then it would be none other than the Makita DJV180Z18V LXT Cordless Jigsaw. This product is the best overall jigsaw and ranks high in factors such as power, stability, and control. The product weighs 2.3 kg without the battery and becomes heavier with the addition of the battery. This is an intentionally designed feature in the jigsaw to avoid the tool from bouncing off during the cutting process, as the Heaviness of the product balances it from the opposite direction. One feature that I like the most is its battery. The manufacturer has a specialized star protection battery with an LXT feature. The star protection prevents the battery from overcharging, frequent discharging, and most importantly overheating during long hours of work. What I like about the LXT feature is the ability to fast charge. Makita makes use of lithium-ion extreme technology to ensure charging is done without much delay. I could observe that the charging time taken by the 18V LXT battery is under 30 minutes, which is sufficient for me to get my job done without any interruptions. Number 5. DeWalt 20V MaxXR Jigsaw DCS334B. If you already own another of DeWalt's 20V tools, this jigsaw is a very good addition, especially when you buy it as a bare tool. Of all the saws we tested, the grip on this one fit best because it's narrow and felt almost like a drill/driver, very comfortable. The max speed of 3,200 strokes per minute was fast enough to blast through wood when set to the max orbital setting, though we did experience some splintering in tests. That somewhat lower speed and vibration, along with the comfy grip, helps stave off hand fatigue. We like the excellent blade visibility, especially when cutting at 45 degrees, and the blower feature that kept sawdust away from the blade. The toolless bevel adjustment locks in securely. On the downside, the DeWalt is not vacuum compatible, and it does not have a lock-on button, which would act like a cruise control during longer cuts. Also, while the shoe has detents that lock in at 0, 15, 30, and 45 degrees, only the 45-degree mark is clearly identified with numbers. Pros: excellent power and cut speed, comfortable handle design, the biggest and easiest to use blade change clamp, good dust blower to keep cutting line clear. Cons: not vacuum compatible.
Alright guys, that's all for now. Please leave a like on the video. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most updated pricing on all the products mentioned in this video.